Hello, welcome to the channel everyone. Today we are going to take another tutorial on action model, and there's a domain that is quite easy for us to do today, noodle.com. I think this domain has a particular multiplier. If you go back, you'll see it, and there is a 75,152 points to gain from this domain. So if you are just joining us, welcome. Do well to use the referral link and especially the code at the description of this video to register with Action Model, start training the AI on the website and explore the different domains there. And if you have any difficulties, you can always comment below. I'm here to answer all your questions. So for those starting, if you have not done this particular task, you just stay put and watch the video, and you see how I navigate through this domain to complete this task. So first of all, you have to have an installed action model extension. Mine is installed here, as you can see it here. Then we click on the first instruction to commence the task. So you read the instruction properly before you proceed, and once you have understood all that is expected of you, you have to click on the start button. So the first instruction is to navigate to the website, of which we have done now. Then you click on the main navigation button or icon if the menu is collapsed. I think this should be the main navigation button or icon now. This is the icon. Then you click on the app or Nodle app link in the main navigation menu. There is let's see, do we have the app link here? I just want to check if we have the app link here. I think this should be the app link. Let me see if there's another one. So we are going to click on the app link here, and then the next instruction is to wait for the browser to load the app, the Nodle app landing page URL. This is it, it has launched it. Then if applicable, click any learn more or similar link that open the main Nodle app overview. Is there a learn more here? Okay, there's a learn more. We have clicked on it. Once that is opened, then we have to finish this task. That is the final instruction there to complete this task. So once we do it, I think we need to close some pages here, wait for the task to be confirmed. Because of the maybe delay in the confirmation, we can still proceed to the next task and be doing it while we wait for this to be confirmed. Oh, it has been rejected. I think we should still go through the instruction again and see what we missed. Let me see. You can still read where you did a mistake, right? You read through this response they have given. You click a link that said click app, but this led to a page that was not the intended landing page. Okay, so let's still redo this task and see. First of all, we have to click on the main navigation or icon. If this should be the icon. Then the second one, click the app or Nodle app link in the main navigation. We have to click the app. Let's see if this will work. This is get up. Wait for the okay. If applicable, click any learn more or similar link that open the main Nodo app overview. So let's try and click this one if it will give us okay. I think this is it. This is the Nodo app overview. So let's try and finish this task and see if we got it right. If this works, then we'll just proceed to the next task, and I think this should work. Okay, it does work. So that was the correct procedure to follow, the second procedure that we just used. So in case you are doing yours for the first time, follow the second procedure. So move to the next task. The next task is to navigate to the Nodo app documentation section. So we are going to start this task immediately. So the first option or the first instruction, click the main menu item or link label developer. I think it will be found, this developer should be found at the bottom. So we'll scroll downward to find where it is written developer. So I believe it should be somewhere okay. Let me get this out of the way. Label developer or similar in the top. Okay, now I can't see developer written verbatim. So what we'll do, let me see, let me check here if we can find anything like that. None. Let's still go through these items here. So the word developer is not written verbatim. Even here you can't find it, but we have the next instruction is to click on the word documentation. So we have to click on the word documentation. Then once documentation is open, click a similar entry or section that mention the Nodo app within the documentation list if a general doc page open. So we have to find Nodo's app here. This is it. Click on it, then scroll if needed and click on any and click the main heading or link that open the Nodo's app documentation. So we have to scroll and see Nodo's app documentation. Let's just click on maybe let's see, is there any link here that opens the Nodo's app documentation? Let's just click this and finish this task. I think that should serve. Let me see if this will do. Let's move to the next task. Why that task stay? Okay, it works. So you just take note of the process we follow to get it done. So the next task says we should open the Nodo's hotspot app page from the main navigation menu. So we start this task immediately. I think the URL is getting choked up. Let's close a little. Now the first instruction, click the app or similar navigation item in the main menu if present. Click the app or similar navigation. Let's see. To click the app. So this we know is the app now from the previous task or instruction given. Then click Noodles hotspot link or card within the app list. Noodles hotspot or card. Let's see where can we find Noodles hotspot, or we can find something similar like card. Let me see. Noodles hotspot. I'm not seeing Noodles hotspot. What of card? Noodles hotspot. Maybe let's check back if we can see anything related to Noodles hotspot and see. We still scroll up and see. Okay, let's check here. Now, I'm not getting Noodles hotspot or card, but I believe it will be under network. So let's check under network. Then Noodles hotspot. Wait for the Noodles hotspot page to then click any primary link. Okay, let me see. Let's see if we can just tap on any of these and finish this task. If it works, fine. Because one of the challenges we might face is you might not see the exact the instructions might not contain the exact wordings on the domain site. So at times you just have to navigate your way through what you think is the right options there that will align with the instruction. At times you get it right, at times you fail and you still redo it. So let's see if this will work. Go back again. Okay, we failed it, which is not the target. You did not complete any of the required steps to open the Noodles hotspot page. Okay, let's try it again and see. It says click the main menu icon, main button on the Noodles. This is the main button. I've clicked it. Click the app or similar navigation in the main menu if present. Apps. We have to click the apps. Click app figuring. Okay. Let me scroll down and see. Alright, this task is a little bit tricky, but I'll show you what I did to get it right. I tried so many times. Right, this is just a remake of this particular section. I went to the site. Let me take us back to the main navigation, the main home page. So when I was here, the task said we should click on the main navigation, and this is the main navigation here. Then click app or similar navigation item in the main menu. So you will see the other under the instruction there's a success criteria. I think that one, the instruction there or the write-up there is more elaborate on what to click. They say user selected the section that listed Nodus apps or product. So I came here. This is a section that lists Nodus app or product. These are the product here. So I clicked on this particular one, right? Then users click the navigation option for the Nodus hotspot app. Then you will see in this instruction, since you won't see directly how this is spelled out on the Nodus app, you can just pick maybe a tip from the instruction. From the fourth instruction here, it says wait for the Nodus hotspot app page to load, then click any primary link or button on that page. So this is where I got the clue from. In bracket they said such as get the app, and you see on this page there is get the app option here. So I clicked on it, then finish the task, then it was marked correctly. So that was how I came about getting it. So in case you are doing yours, although the process was not recorded directly how I was doing it, because I was trying multiple options to get it right. So you see I tried it close to about the 5th time I got it right. So let's move forward to the next task. The next task says we should open the Nodus client documentation from the learn menu. So we'll start this immediately. The first instruction, finish the navigation menu label learn. Click on the navigation menu label learn. So this one is a little bit direct. Then the next one, click on the Nodus client option from the learn drop down. Nodus client. So this is Nodus client. This one is a little bit direct from what I'm seeing. Wait for the Nodus client documentation page to load in the same tab. Scroll slightly on the Nodus client documentation page to register. So I just tap on here and maybe scroll down a little, finish the task immediately. So this is where we finish this and move to the next option here. I think we need to close some of this URL. Now we need to just be fast and move to the next task. Let's see this is marked correctly, then move to the next task. The next I say navigate to the Nodus XDK page. First instruction, click on the browser address bar. This is the browser address bar. I've clicked on it. Then click the main navigation menu label developer or similar. This developer, I think, is not written verbatim, but what we did in the previous one is to click on the documentation, because documentation is the next option. So we are applying the same here. Then next option says click the section or link specifically mentioning SDK or similar or Nodus SDK within the navigation, within the documentation page. So we'll find the let me see, scroll, okay, see Nodus SDK. So click on it, click on one of the SDK related soft page or language specific SDK link to open it detail. So let's just click on this. This is a subset link, introduction, and it has opened it. Let's just scroll and register. Then we'll be done with these tags as well, and we'll need to move to the next one as fast as possible. Next one, say open the Nodus network start page from the network menu. So we are coming here and see we got this correctly. Then the next task, open the network start page. Let's see. So we have to open the network start page here. I pray this is more direct than the others. So the first instruction, click the network, the website bar, browser bar, which is here. Clicked it, then click network. This is network. Then once the network page is open, we'll click on network statistics or start option in the network drop down menu if it appears. Let's see, this is the network, this is some of the statistics here. Click on it. If a new page or section load, click any network statistics or similar label linked within the page if needed. Wait for the network start page to finish loading, then click anywhere on the page content to register the view. So this is the network start here. There's no much on this page. We'll finish this task and see. Let's check out the next task. The next task says we should open the Nodus token information. Let's check on the previous task we did. We got it correct. We'll move from here, open the Nodus token information page. We start this task immediately. Click open the net. Okay, we have to click on we have to click on the network. Then the next thing, we'll click overview or equivalent entry within the network section if a sub menu appear. Then we have to click on network overview. Overview, this is the network overview. Scroll within the network page until token related list or sections are visible. This is the token related list here, so click on it. Wait for the navigation to complete so that the Nodus token information page loads. Click within the main content area of the Nodus token page, e.g. on a heading or paragraph to register the focus. We just click here, Nodus price, Nodus market cap, token market cap, sorry. Okay. Then we'll finish this task and see. Then next, we are to open a smart mission paper from the learn documentation page. Let's see, the next task is to open this. Okay, let's check the previous, got it right. Then we'll move to the next one. Open. Okay, we have to open the smart mission paper from the learn documentation menu. So click on the main documentation menu of the home page, learn. Okay, let's see, we have to click the main menu navigation on the Nodus page. Okay, this is the main menu. Then we have to click on learn. After clicking on learn, click on documentation. So since it took us to a new page, we just come back here and click on documentation. Documentation is here. Click the search or menu bar if needed to review topics. This is the search bar. We have clicked on it. click the search section or link related to smart mission in the documentation. So let's see if we can find smart mission. This is smart mission. We'll click on it. Click inside the open smart mission paper or click on it. Maybe just scroll to register the page, and we are done with this task. The next task here is to open the Nodus white paper. So we are going to move to that task immediately. We have spent quite a lot of time doing this now. So this is the, okay, let's check this. This is marked as well. So open the Nodus white paper. We are going to do this immediately. Let me close some of these tabs. At times these tutorials could take time, but when you are doing it without maybe doing a tutorial class like this, it's straightforward. Now the task says click the main navigation menu, label learn. We have to click learn here. I hope we are doing the current task. Okay, then click the link or card label white paper. Let me see if there's a card label white paper here. Label white paper within the learn section. I'm not seeing a card labeled white paper, but let's get back and see. You might see it from the bottom here. This is white paper. We have to click. Let's click. So you see how I needed to go back to click on the white paper after even clicking on the learn interface, and the white paper was not there. So you have to still route through the previous page you left to get some of those options. So they are scattered. It's not that they are in one place. If the white paper open in a new interface, wait for the navigation and click anywhere in the document. Okay, I've clicked anywhere in the document. If the white paper open as a downloaded or embedded document link, click the main document link or button to open the tab. So I think this is the button. The tab is open. We conclude with this task, and we just move to the next immediately. The next task says open the Explorer. So we have to open the Nodus Explorer interface, and here we go. This is okay. Let's check if we got this right. Okay, so as if this was not gotten right, but let's repeat this task and see. Let's just repeat it. Let's be fast with this and see if we can still meet up with this time. Okay, the first thing to do, we have to click on the learn. After it loads, went to search for the white paper. Was not reviewed here, so there's no option here that directly show us the white paper option. So we went back and scroll to the bottom and click on white paper, right? So after clicking on white paper, we are told to click on an empty page within the white paper, and we have to finish the task. Let's see if it works this way. If it doesn't work, we'll continue from there. I pray it works. Now let's see. see. Oh, we'll come back to this task maybe later, but let's continue from here. Open the Nodus Explorer from the network navigation menu. So we'll start this task immediately. So we have to click on the labeled, the interface labeled network, click the sub menu item label Explorer or Nodus Explorer. Is there anything like Explorer here? I can't find. Okay, this Explorer, we have to click on it. Wait for the Explorer page to load, then click anywhere within the Explorer content area, e.g. tab, link, or register the page. So I'll just click at the middle here of the Explorer. We are at the Explorer page here. Then we are done with these tags. See if it works out. So the next task here we should open. Let's check. Okay, we got this one correctly in here now. I think we are making progress. The next one. Okay, so far we have failed one and we have not repeated to get it right. Maybe after this we'll still go back to that one and see what's wrong there. So the next task says open the Nodus Portal account page from the main site. So start this task immediately. Click the browser address bar. This is the browser address bar. We have clicked it. Then click the main navigation menu label Portal. Let's see. Is there a portal here? Main navigation menu label Portal. So I can't find Portal here, right? So what do we do now? Anything similar to Portal? I don't think so. Even if we go up and see, I can't find anything like Portal. Wait for the Nodus Portal page to load. Click the navigation menu icon. Open the Portal sidebar. Click account link or navigate Portal. So I can't find Portal verbatim, but let's try something here. You see that let me check status and see if we can find the next option there. Okay, it seems we can't find the word Portal here, but let's try and finish this task and see if we can proceed with the next task and see. So this task didn't work out, right? We couldn't find the Portal tab. So we'll move to the next one, which says open the Nodus documentation homepage for the primary navigation. So here we are to click on this address bar again, then click the main site. If primary link is collapsed, click document or documentation. Here is it. This is documentation. Then after, wait for the browser to load the documentation site. Click the logo or home link in the documentation navigation if not already on the documentation page. This should, I think we have clicked the logo or home link. It's just the home link. We have clicked it. Let's finish this task and see. I don't see any logo here, so we have succeeded in clicking the home link. pray that get it done. So you see some of these tags you will not find directly the instruction how it is written on the site. Let's see. Okay, we got this one right. I think you have to follow this the way I did it to get yours right as well. So the next tag says we should open the bug bounty program page for the navigation. We'll start this task immediately. So the first instruction said we should open the browser navigation, then click the main navigation icon labeled LEN. Then we click the sub menu label bug bounty program. Do we have bug bounty program here? Let's check. Bug bounty program. I can't see bug bounty program here, but let's go back and check at the bottom. Is there bug bounty program? I can't see it here. So in case you are doing yours, you find any of this in from your end, you just let me know. Maybe you drop a comment so that we know. But I'm beginning to see we'll still come to some of the tags we mix, like that explorer, because I'm beginning to notice something. So there's no bug bounty program. I click anywhere in the main content area of the bug bounty page. Let me even see if they mention anything like bug. I can't see anything like bug here. Let's just finish these tags and we'll move to the next one. But we'll still come back to the previous tags we failed. I think I'm beginning to notice some things here gradually. Now there was this task we had to do to open this portal. Let's go back to this task. I noticed something. So this is the portal task. Let's redo this. So the first instruction on this open the Noodles portal account was to click on this bar. Then the second one, click the main navigation menu labeled portal. Now if you go to this LEN page under your LEN option, you will notice that there is Noodles portal here, right? So let's click on the Noodles portal here. Wait for the Noodles portal page to load. Click the navigation menu icon that open the Noodles portal if collapse. Let's see. I've clicked on it. So click the account link or tab in the Noodles portal. Let me see, is there any creating account? Okay, is creating account. Let's see. So once that is done, let's finish this task and see if we got it correctly. So some of those options are hidden in different places. That is why I have to do it this way, just for us to get it correctly and move to the next task. So this is where we are. Let's see if we got this correctly. Okay, it was still unsuccessful. Let's move to the next and the last task and see. So far we're not able to get like 3 now. Let's try the last task and see if we get it right. Then we'll be done with this. And if you succeed in getting any of it we failed, you can just comment below what the process you used in getting those tasks. So open the Noodles roadmap page from the lens section, and first thing you have to navigate to the browser. I think this is the browser. then click on the option labeled learn, then you click the roadmap link within the learn option. So let's see if there's roadmap link here. There is nothing like roadmap, so let's get to the home page and scroll down if we can find roadmap. There's no roadmap here, and I believe the roadmap should either be okay. Wait for the roadmap page to load. Click anywhere in the road. Okay, about nodes, the roadmap should it be here? Let's try and click here and see. Let's click on anywhere here. The roadmap should contain the mission, the vision of the project, and it is not written verbatim. So I'm seeing bounty, bug bounty here now. So I think you see there's okay. I'm beginning to see this now. Let's see, is it on this page? If you notice, the way this page open is different from the others, but let's see. This is roadmap, right? So let's click on it and see. We have clicked on the roadmap page. Wait for the roadmap page to open the URL. Click anywhere within the roadmap page, within the content area to register. So we just click anywhere. We have registered the page. We finish this task. About, when I clicked on nodes on about, where you get to know more about the project, I'm seeing several options that were not on the home page at the bottom, right? So let's see if this goes right. Okay, now let's redo this task because I just discovered something now. I'll click on the start button, right? So the first one, click the main navigation menu labeled learn. So I'll click on learn here. I'll click on learn, then click the roadmap link within the learn section. There's no roadmap link within this learn section, but I noticed that on this page where you see on the, I think it should be here on the about page, or is it this place? Where is this? About. I found out that there's a lot on the about page that is not in the, that is here now. Under about, you click on nodes, you see a lot of options under the learn that is not in the main page. So you see roadmap here now. Then after clicking on roadmap, they say we should click anywhere. So I just click on the logo here, then finish the task. Alright guys, we'll wrap it up from here. There were some tasks we were not able to get correctly, and if you come across those tasks, about 4, so out of 14 tasks we were able to score 10, still a pass mark. But if you come across this, open the nodes white paper and you try to get it correctly, you can just comment below what the steps you followed. Also, they opened the nodes portal account. I couldn't find those options on the site directly, so that was why it was giving us difficulties. It was found on other page, and if you see the reason for the failure here, they state it that you see from this let me read from here. You then click on the link that led you to nodus.com, but subsequently navigated to document.nodus.com, which is not the primary website for the learn section. So even though that was not the primary website for the learn section, that was where the bounty option is. So even if you find the option on another page, it will still be marked wrong. So if you succeed in getting it right, tell us what process you use, and we appreciate on the comment section. So for those who are just coming in new, you go through my YouTube videos. I did a intro video on action model. You can start from there. Register with my referral link at the description of that video. Remember to also insert the referral code, very important. So see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.